Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you where can you find the emails that you have chosen to archive. Because as you can see, you can um, literally see the archive folder here on your Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for example, I want to archive this email, so all I have to do is click this box. And as you can see, it is not currently not shown on my inbox. So all I have to do is click all mail, and you can already see the email that you have chosen to archive. So here in the all mail folder, you can see all the emails that you have chosen to archive from your inbox or your drafts. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe and the like button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!